topic which we are going to study today is the stages of lipid oxidation. Let us first understand the definition of lipid oxidation, also known as autooxidation. Autooxidation is a reaction between oxygen and the unsaturated lipids to form a lipid hydroperoxide, which then undergoes further reaction with or without the participation of other compounds. This reaction is enhanced by light and metal ions. Now, what are the stages of lipid oxidation, also known as autooxidation? Mainly, lipid oxidation involves a three-stage free radical mechanism. The first stage being known as initiation, the second stage is called propagation, while the final stage is known as termination. So the first stage of lipid oxidation is known as initiation. Initiation involves the formation of lipid free radicals through catalysts such as heat, metal ions, and irradiation. These free radicals further react with oxygen molecules to form peroxy free radicals. As shown in the equation, we can see that lipid molecules gets converted into lipid free radicals in the presence of heat, metal ions, or irradiation. And then these lipid free radicals further react with the atmospheric oxygen present and form into peroxy free radicals. The second stage of lipid oxidation is known as propagation. During propagation, the peroxy radicals which were formed during the initiation reaction further reacts with other lipid molecules to form hydroperoxides and a new free radical. As shown in the equation, we can clearly see that the peroxy free radicals further reacts with lipid molecules and form hydroperoxides and a new free radical. The last stage of lipid oxidation is known as termination. Termination occurs when a buildup of these free radicals which were formed during the propagation reaction interact with each other and form non-free radical products. As shown in the equation, we can clearly see that when two free radicals reacts with each other, they form a non-free radical product and the reaction has been terminated, means ended. Reactions of lipid oxidation continues until there is a depletion of oxygen or when a fatty radical reacts with a stable antioxidant radical or when two unstable radicals reacts with each other, that is known as termination. The process which involves these three steps, namely initiation, propagation and termination, is called as autooxidation. Here is a summary chart of all the reaction of all the stages of lipid oxidation. We can clearly see at the first stage, that is initiation, that lipid molecules under the presence of heat, light or metal ions form alkyl free radicals, and when these free radicals react with further oxygen, they form peroxy free radicals. These peroxy free radicals then enter the propagation step and react with other lipid molecules to form hydroperoxides and a free alkyl radical. Then these free alkyl radicals further interact with each other and form a non-radical product known as the termination. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos.